The world's population is currently at 7.7 billion people, and 250 babies are born every minute. But how exactly are all of these babies being made? Not like that. Maybe a little bit more scientific. More specifically, how did this part happen? The journey of sperm to egg is full of peril, and the chances are extremely unlikely. In fact, out of the 300 million sperm that are released into the uterus, only 1,000 even reach the fallopian tubes, and of course, only one can win. Sperm cells are produced in a man's testes, inside twisting coils known as the seminiferous tubules. This process is known as spermatogenesis and it involves both meiosis and mitosis. First, a spermatogonium divides into a primary spermatocyte, then a secondary spermatocyte, then a spermatid, and finally a sperm cell. All of these cells are supported by the Sertoli cells. Spermatogenesis is regulated by the following negative feedback loop. When there's a low sperm count, the hypothalamus detects this and releases gonadotropin-releasing hormone. This hormone then travels to the anterior pituitary gland, which then releases follicle-stimulating hormone. This hormone travels to the seminiferous tubules found within the testes and increases sperm production. These sperm cells eventually develop and mature in the epididymis, which is located just above the seminiferous tubules. Sympathetic nerves stimulate ejaculation, and when the sperm cells are ready, they go from the epididymis to the vas deferens, all the way to the seminal vesicle and the prostate gland, and then the Cowper's gland, and then out of the penis. But sperm cells don't just travel by themselves. Instead, they travel inside a fluid called the semen that contains secretions from 3 glands. These secretions protect the sperm on their journey. The seminal vesicles contribute fructose, which give the sperm cells a source of energy, as well as prostaglandins. Prostaglandins reverse the muscular contractions in a woman's body so that they are prepared closer to the egg instead of further away from it. Prostaglandins also tell a sperm's tail to move. The prostate gland contributes alkaline buffers, which neutralize the acidity of the vagina. Finally, the Cowper's gland cleans the urethra so that sperm and urine don't mix.